Hi guys, today my half brother thing I don't know is going to be rating my fidgets. First this pop tube.
Okay.
Do you want me? You don't want me to show your face, right?
No.
Okay. Okay.
This one reminds me of like the things that I used to play with as a kid that like weren't really meant to be puppets, but they were like the tubes you find in like the closet or something. I really like this one. This one's like a
It's
like
1 through 10.
and it's like an 8 out of 10. I like this one.
Okay. Now 8 out of 10 goes right in this pile, and then after that I'll show you what we can do. Sorry. Next is this jumbo red pop tube.
Okay, so then I'm guessing this is this same one with this little.
But it also kind of pops like like the vacuum. It kind of sounds like those crumbs crunching in the vacuum. But doesn't it? Wait, now push it together.
I like this one, but I might give it a little bit of a lower rating just because of its size.
Yeah, it's a little too big for me. It doesn't fit in my hands, but it's still pretty cool.
It's like a 7 out of 10, I'd say.
Okay, 7 out of 10 goes there. Next, this push down fidget.
So you made this one, right? I kind of like this one. It's just kind of like a portable thing that I'd feel like I just hold and just kind of click, especially.
It's like a pen.
Yeah, like if I'm. It's a less annoying version of that because
it just kind of has that like mechanic. Yeah, it's better.
And it's not like a pen where it's like it makes the loud clicky sound, but it still gives you that satisfaction.
It's actually made out. The spring is from a pen.
Oh,
there's a spring in it.
It doesn't give the same loud sound.
Yeah, it just kind of has that mechanic sound.
Yeah, I like this one. This one's like especially if I'm watching a show or something, I just have this in my hand and click on it. Yeah.
Especially if it's a scary movie or something.
And this is like, I'd say this is like an 8 out of 10. This is pretty nice, especially for something that's homemade.
Yeah, I've been seeing those around. I actually tried. I had to kind of watch the video, but then I got the rest.
This is
Simple Dimple.
Yeah, I like this one because it's small and it's not like.
It's supposed to fit in your palm.
Yeah, and it's not like it's not
like that big,
like the big ones.
Big.
Yeah.
Not too big, but it's still like fun to play with. That's more portable than like a poppet.
Right. It's like you can carry this around in your pocket and you won't look like a dummy.
Yeah.
You know.
Unless you're like a girl and you have a purse or something. That's how I get my fidgets around, a purse. That's how I do mine.
It's not like you're gonna put it in your pocket. Nobody's gonna be like, why do you have a giant square in your pocket?
Or like, why do you have a fanny pack on or something?
Yeah, this one's a solid 10 out of 10. I really like the portable and also how it bends. I really like.
Yeah, that one's supposed to be a little more fidgety. Okay, so 10.
Yeah, it's a 10 out of 10.
Okay, 10 goes there. Okay, how about this suction cup ball?
Am I supposed to squeeze it? What do I do with this?
Oh wait, I don't even have the other one. Well, with the other one, you can like pop it, kind of.
These look like the tips of those Nerf darts that.
It does. It really does.
You shoot it like glass and it sticks.
But first, wait, throw it on the wall. Not too hard, just kind of soft. Throw
okay.
it. It didn't work. Actually, that was kind of.
I guess it's kind of bouncy. It's fun to roll in your hands, I guess.
Be completely honest. I don't care.
Okay. It's like a 3.
I got a 6-pack of this for $3.
It's like a 3 out of 10, I'd say. It's a 3. Yeah, definitely a 3.
Okay, 3 out of 10. Next is this homemade. It's clean. It's clean.
Okay. I saw the sock. I was like, oh no. I like these ones, but I feel like a thing that would make this rating go higher if it was like in a balloon, something a little more like rubbery almost.
Yeah, I don't have any balloons though.
Yeah.
For a homemade fidget.
Yeah, for a homemade fidget in a sock, it's pretty good. So I'd rate this like a 5.5 out of 10.
Okay. 5.5 goes there. You're going to see why I'm putting them all in different piles. So, rare cotton candy Simple Dimple. For $3, that's good.
I'm not quite gonna give this one a 10 out of 10 just because it doesn't bend, and I like the bending fact because it means you can
I actually gave that one a 10 out of 10 on my other rating fidgets video, and I give that one a 3 out of 10.
The blue one?
Yeah, I don't really like the blue one.
Really?
That's my favorite fidget. Probably one of my favorites.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this one's a
It's kind of hard for me to hold it in my hand if it's bendy. And that one's easier for my fingers to use around.
This one's a solid like 9 out of 10.
But that one does pop better.
Yeah, it does. It does pop better. That's why the rating is so high. And it's another portable one that you
yeah,
can
but that one is a little like better for like classes or like meetings and stuff, whatever.
Yeah.
If you're a grown up or something.
I guess. Yeah, this is a solid 9 out of 10. I like that one.
Yeah. Okay, 9 out of 10.
The color.
This one's 9, right?
No, that one's 8.
Oh yeah, that one's 8. This one's 7.
Yeah.
That one.
We haven't had an 8 yet.
That's 5. You mean we haven't had a 9 yet?
This one's 5.
Yeah, we haven't gotten a 9 yet.
Yeah.
Okay, 9 goes there.
Cool.
That's 3 right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so this side of the pop is bad, but this is a limited edition one.
Really?
Mhm.
I like the colors. It's pretty.
So that's the bad side, the soft side. Just pop that part. Now pop the other side.
Oops, hold up. Okay.
Okay.
So, I like that. I like how you can just kind of tap it and it just pops.
Yeah.
down.
Wait. Let me show you what I do. I'm just gonna pop a line, but look.
Yeah, I can't do that because it doesn't give me like the satisfaction. So like I have to like press it down and like one at a time because it kind of makes it.
Oh.
It gives me a sort of good feeling about popping it. But yeah, this one's I'm gonna nick the rating a little bit just because it's not as portable. Like this would have to be a thing that sits in your room and maybe like you're just like hanging out and just at the side maybe you're popping this because that's what I do with mine that you gave me. But yeah, it's like this is a solid 7. I like this.
7?
One.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 7, we do. I don't think we have.
Yeah,
7.
7 was the big jumbo tube.
Oh yeah.
Whatever.
Okay. Big jumbo pop tube.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Next one is this mini digit spinner.
Mini digit.
Dimple digit.
Dimple digit.
Mini dimple digit.
Okay.
Spinner. Okay.
These are some
So
very
that one-
complicated names.
I know. That's how they named them. So you can spin it very well. Obviously, it's not the most portable, but it's still pretty fun.
Oh yeah.
But if I were rating this, it's a little hard to pop, but it still gives me that satisfaction. It's also good like therapy.
Yeah.
But now I'll try the other
this
side.
side kind of is bad, but this side is nice. I like this
This
side.
side's really
But it
good.
kind of sucks in your fingers, like whoa. But yeah, this one's pretty cool, and I like the fact that it spins. That's a cool addition.
Yeah, it's a wait, spin that. Wait, watch how cool it looks. On camera, it looks so cool.
You'll have to show me when you're done recording.
Wait, do that. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay.
Yeah, this is a solid 7 out of 10 again.
7?
Yeah, a lot of these are nice 7s out of 10.
Okay. This rare glittery dimple for $3. I'm going to give you the price.
What's with these names, man? They're so
It's
glittery dimple. They're limited edition.
No, that one's just rare.
Oh.
It's not limited edition. Limited edition is where you can get it at that certain time.
Mm.
The bigger ones are easier to pop. I don't like really popping the smaller ones.
Really? Yeah, this is pretty cool. This is already like a solid 8.
8?
No, I'd say it's a 9. Yeah.
9?
9.
Okay. That one's a 9.
Excuse me.
This is the last one. This Cloud Poppet.
Okay.
Bad
Ooh.
side. But that one is a little more portable than that one. Because it's like a little longer.
Ooh, that sounded like knuckles popping. That was pretty nice.
Oh.
Again, I might nick the rating just because of the less portable. And
Yeah,
then
but it still probably could fit in your pocket better than this square one.
Yeah, but you look like a doofus. Dude, what does that guy have in his pocket? It's just kind of funny to me.
A doo-doo. You just called it a...
So, yeah, I kind of like this one. This one's like a solid 7 as well.
7?
Yeah, 7.
Okay, so this one's a 7. So, now, we're going to, after this, I'm going to tell him the instructions and then you guys. Now, we are going to play the game, say, show. So,
Okay, so...
say, this is the, okay, so he would swipe the one say he didn't want this one, he would swipe that over on that side. If he didn't want this one, he would swipe it on that side. But both sides are no sides if you swipe them. If you don't swipe them, then like that one.
You prefer it, so it's like swipe the one that you don't prefer.
So now like swipe which one?
Okay, I don't like that one.
Okay.
Bye.
So now, no, we're trying to find a winner now. Out of all these fidgets, okay?
So it's like a bracket competition. That's pretty cool.
Okay. And we're not supposed to talk during this one. Either one. Wait.
Why is there 3? Oh, get that out of here.
Wait, really?
Oh, yeah. I like the click. Get that out of here.
Wait,
That one? Okay. I don't know. It's a good competition.
that one is more portable than both of these, and this one's extremely.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, here's a competition we've all been waiting for. I don't know. I kind of like the way this one pops.
That's more of a portable and like better thing for a
feel like
movie or like a meeting or something.
Yeah, it's better to hold.
Well, winner, guys. Woo! But even though this was still a good competition, I was expecting this one to be a winner, but
Yeah,
still,
this
he
is
gets
a
that.
runner-up. This is a runner-up. So we got first place and we got second place right there.
But you get second place. That's yours now.
Oh, cool. Yay. Subscribe to...
Creative World of Lila.
Yeah, subscribe and like the videos. Okay.
Yeah, do what he says. We only need one more subscriber to get to 20 subscribers. And we already got 1,231 views on YouTube.
Nice, that's pretty awesome.
So, bye guys.